Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents. Special bonus chapter, Summer Vacation Part 1. Shishao said, you have to be good and obedient at your grandparents' house and don't be naughty, okay? I know. Grandma and Grandpa, let's go. Sian said to her, Nunu was taken home by Sian's parents, and we are all on vacation so we can enjoy some time together as a couple. Why don't we take this opportunity to go to the beach and fulfill your promise to be my model? Now, Sian, she was really acting good right now. Can she coax her? Lucy Xiao suddenly looked back to see her reaction. Of course, she can do anything but just to obey Sian. Two of them went on the beach. Lucy Xiao said, Honey, I want to drink coconut milk. Well, definitely. She became thirsty. The sun is really hot, and while waiting for Sian, she said, You were going to buy some water. Why haven't you done it yet? Seems that she's getting worried about Sian. She's not coming back yet. Suddenly, there's a person was approaching her. Who could it be? It seems that this person is a man. Now said to her, Hello. Man said, Excuse me, that man seems to be stumbling. Don't know what to say to her. Look at him. He was blushing. Probably, he was really shy to approach Lu Shishao. The man suddenly said, Can I add your WeChat? Right now, the man suddenly paused. Well, it turns out it was Sian. Two of them look at Sian. The man seems to be scared. Well, definitely. Sian moved closer to Lu Shishao. Sian said, My girl already has a wife. The man said, Sorry. Sorry to bother you. The man seems to be rattled. Go out quickly. Why did you take so long to come back? Shishao is asking Sian. Well, definitely. He was really worried about her. But Sian, look at her right now. He's trying to tease her again. When I come back at this time, I wouldn't have known that someone would chat with you. Oh, she was really acting coquettish. Well, Sian said, He is handsome though. Looking at the reaction of Lu Shishao, of course, it really find her cute. Now, she looks confident and generous, and she is also very beautiful. Either way, it looks great. Definitely Sian right now is trying to coax her again, but from now on, I will never leave you, so those crazy admirers, please stay far away from you. As possible, Sian said to her. Now, look at it. She shall suddenly kiss her gently. Even there are more bees and butterflies, I only like you. Lucy Xiao said to her, Oh, it was really flattering. Right now, the two of them. Then, let's go back to the room and do our business. Sian said to Lucy Xiao, Well, at this moment, it's been carried out by Sian. Definitely Sian. She is getting crazy. This moment, she's been carrying Lucy Xiao. They came into the room. Are you ready for a private photo shoot? Sian said to her. Well, the swimsuit, it came from Sian. Right now, Sian's really find it cute. Also, Sian said to her, Day, you're my model. Sian, right now, she was carrying her camera. She was ready to take photos of Lu Shishao. Lu Shishao seems to be nervous. Looking at her face, she's not confident